Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download gsutil for managing GCS buckets, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download gsutil for managing Google Cloud Storage buckets, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Google Cloud SDK documentation page. Look for the section that provides download options for your operating system. For Windows users, you will find an installer file. Click on the link to download the Google Cloud SDK installer. If you are using macOS, you can use the Homebrew Package Manager for installation. Open your terminal and run the command brew install cask Google Cloud SDK. For Linux users, you will need to download a tarball. Use the curl command to download the tarball directly to your system. After downloading, extract the tarball using the command tarxf Google Cloud SDK-star.tar.gz. Navigate to the extracted folder by running cd Google Cloud SDK. Now, you'll want to initialize the Google Cloud SDK. Run the command /install.sh on Linux or /Google Cloud SDK/install.sh on Windows. Follow the instructions displayed on your screen to complete the installation. After installation, you need to authenticate your account. Run the command cloudinit to start the authentication process. Follow the prompts to log in to your Google account. Once authenticated, you can now access gsutil through your terminal or command prompt. To verify the installation, type gsutil version and press enter. If installed correctly, you will see the version number displayed. You are now ready to use gsutil for managing your Google Cloud storage buckets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.